Warren Buffett has identified 7 expenditures that the underprivileged make. Do you aspire to achieve success in life? Do you desire the utmost comfort for your life? You obviously said yes when I asked. If so, you've come to the perfect spot because I'm going to show you how to better manage your money and cut back on wasteful spending now. According to Warren Buffett, the best investor in the world, I'll show you 7 things that the poor waste money on. Stay until the finish to avoid missing any information, since the last item on the list will surprise you. In order to get one step closer to success in your life, I also ask you to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell on our YouTube channel. Now, without further ado, let's begin. 1. Gambling. Your finances suffer if you gamble. Despite Warren Buffett's assertion that there is nothing wrong with playing occasionally, doing so will only cause you to go bankrupt if your goal is to raise your income and build wealth. One thing you should keep in mind is that it's extremely probable that every time you play on a machine similar to a slot machine, your ambition will drive you to want to spend more and more, which will cause you to waste all of your money in a matter of minutes. Success is reserved for those who don't rely on luck. Lucky people are average people. Always keep that in mind. 2. Buying a house. Unexpectedly, unlike the poor, the rich do not own a home, at least not when they are just starting out on their path to prosperity. Instead, they rent a home while accumulating the resources needed to purchase the same home. Getting into debt to purchase a home is one of the worst errors that impoverished people make, and it may have a devastating effect on their economy. It's hazardous to consolidate all of your cash, assets, and debt in one spot. Additionally, having a home won't increase your income. Rather, it will increase your expenses. In the end, the risk is too great. Buffett doesn't always mean that owning a home to live in with your family is a bad idea. The improper move is to purchase a home when heavily indebted, because doing so will gradually push you into bankruptcy. 3. Paying for a gym without commitment. In 2017, there were 61 million gym members. However, figures reveal that roughly 70% of students who have subscriptions cease utilizing them after the first few months. The majority of gyms rely on members paying dues but never showing up. People attend gyms to enhance their physical fitness and health. There are many different pieces of equipment and classes available at gyms. But a lot of people sign up for gym memberships without intending to go there frequently. If you don't go to the gym frequently, having a membership is pointless. Better, cost-free entertainment options exist. There are lots of free and inexpensive fitness activities available. Outdoor activities including strolling, playing sports with friends, running, and hiking are popular forms of exercise. Until you can commit to a workout routine, train your mind and be persistent. 4. Luxury brands. As was previously said, regardless of cost, the poor acquire items they don't need. We all know that wealthy can buy expensive apparel, homes, fancy automobiles, and other items. This does not imply that people are buying expensive goods with their hard-earned money, though. They can afford to buy as many of these things as they want, but every now and again you see them wearing basic $20 watches or sticking with the same phone for years. So, it's not enough to simply refrain from purchasing items you do not require. You also need to consider whether it is the wisest course of action. Consider whether it's more practical to spend $10 for a t-shirt of the same quality, but without the brand logo, rather than $200 for a basic premium brand t-shirt. The only difference between them is the brand. Both can have the same quality. 5. Buying a new car. One of the worst financial decisions that the younger generations will make is purchasing a new vehicle. This is due to the fact that as soon as you drive the car off the lot and onto the road, it begins to lose value. By the end of the first year, the value of your car will have dropped by 20 to 30%, and after 5 years, it will have dropped by at least 60%. The majority of individuals take out loans to get a new car, but in reality, they are taking out loans to purchase an asset that loses 30% of its value right away. It's not all terrible news either. You can purchase a used automobile with 2 or 3 years of use because the vehicle will be nearly new, and you can do so at a 30% discount owing to its usage period if you want to have a sparkling, new-smelling car without going into debt with the bank. 6. Watching TV and playing video games. Warren Buffett's revelation that middle-class and lower-class households squander time watching television or playing video games is a significant one. These households experience this considerably more frequently than wealthy homes do. First of all, he says, they waste time and money trying to get the newest TV packages. In addition, people waste time playing video games rather than studying how to increase their income and wealth or engaging in more productive pursuits. People from higher social classes, for instance, read far more frequently than those from lower socioeconomic statuses, who frequently spend their free time watching Netflix or other streaming services. 7. Extravagant vacations. Traveling is a very significant experience to have because it is an accomplishment we aspire to make in our lives. These experiences, however, risk being spoiled if they are not well prepared. Poor people frequently take on debt in order to travel for a few weeks. Unquestionably, the experience can be fantastic, but you will pay a price for it for years, which will make you regret your choice. Therefore, when arranging your ideal vacation, take great care to avoid thinking emotionally and ignoring the rational side if you want to enjoy it to the fullest. Avoid taking out loans or incurring debt because these trips could turn out to be a complete financial nightmare. To have a fantastic trip, make sure your funds are in order and the timing is ideal. In this video, it was highlighted that gambling and gaming stand out as significant financial pitfalls, leading to excessive spending and potential bankruptcy, particularly among those with limited resources. Additionally, the conventional notion of purchasing a house is challenged, with Buffett advocating for renting while focusing on building financial stability. Spending money on gym memberships without consistent commitment is discouraged, considering the availability of more economical and free exercise options. The purchase of luxury brands is advised against until achieving financial independence, emphasizing that high prices based on brand names do not necessarily guarantee superior quality over more affordable alternatives. Furthermore, buying new cars is discouraged due to rapid depreciation, suggesting the practical choice of opting for used vehicles. Buffett also discourages excessive television watching and video game playing, considering them wasteful in terms of both time and money. Lastly, while vacations are acknowledged as essential experiences, caution is urged in planning trips to prevent accumulating debt and subsequent financial remorse. Thank you for your time and consideration. I trust the wisdom shared by Buffett has been truly valuable. If you've found this information beneficial, we appreciate your support for our channel. Kindly show your support by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications for future enlightening content. We look forward to welcoming you in our upcoming video. Until then, goodbye, and once again, thank you.